Welcome back, everyone, to another SABCRAZY adventure. We're clear. Right lane. We are out here with Lucky Bear.
Hello. Hello, hello.
And we are playing the motorcycle picture game.
Are we?
We are. We're in the search currently for a water fountain so that we can take a picture of our bikes next to a water fountain.
Are you sure it's not supposed to be just like a fountain?
Yes, I am positively sure.
It didn't say drinking fountain. It said fountain, water fountain.
Well, I mean, let me look up the definition of water fountain when we get there.
Okay.
Let's see what we see. I don't see any water fountain that way, but I think I know there's one right here by the recreation center, by where we vote.
Isn't there a fountain with water at the Plaza de Sol?
Yes, so depending on what it says,
it's okay.
First I'm going to go to the water fountain and take the picture.
Can you tell it's a water fountain from where you're standing?
Yes. Next to a water fountain.
It doesn't say drinking fountain.
I'm going to go for it anyways. This is my interpretation.
Okay.
Now let's go take a picture at the other water fountain, and then I can post both.
Just in case.
Yep.
Covering our bases.
Yep. So, Lucky Bear over there reminded me that there's a spot where there's an actual water fountain. Oh, we got it going off-road in here. Look out, people. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Oh, man, I hit that tree with my camera. Okay, so which way? That way.
Yeah, we gotta go behind us.
We could also go that way and then turn right.
I don't like that way. I want to go that way.
What? No, go straight.
Fine.
Yeah, just go.
Whoa, now they're backing up.
Oh, my goodness. I mean, you want to make a U-turn now?
Yep.
Execute. U-turn. Lucky Bear. Exhibit A, tight U-turn. All right. 4.5 out of 10. Maybe a 4.7.
That might have been a 5.
Yeah, well, nope, not giving you a 5. Could have been a much tighter U-turn.
Maybe if I was going faster.
Maybe. Hey, babes. You're my babes. Don't hit the walker.
Don't hit the human.
Yeah. The guy.
Person.
I think human was best.
Why is there a white truck just in the middle of the fucking
Oh, up there? Because he's retarded. No offense to retarded people, but that guy's driving like that guy's trying to turn left, and that guy's trying to turn left into him. Wow, that was good. Wow. Real good, man. I mean, he had the nerve to try and roll down his window because he was going to talk crap to me, or what?
No, I think he was just trying to tell the other person, can you scoot up so I can move, get in here too or something. Who knows?
Some people just don't know how to drive very well. But that is like every day and every hour here in Los Angeles. Bad driver central.
I thought you had a thing in that one, don't you?
Yeah, I do.
Then why do you need the strip?
Need is a strong word.
There you go. Okay.
You want to race? All right, sucker. We'll see you up here at the light. Is he coming?
I don't know.
No, he stopped over there. Oh no!
At the Wells Fargo.
Yeah, now he's coming down the street. Now he's hustling.
At the Wells Fargo.
Yeah, I know. Who's coming?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, he's good. You good, man? Stay safe, brother. That fool's got his quarter high life.
40.
Yeah, or whatever. He's hauling ass. Good job, Holmes. Yeah, get over. Go, go, go. I'll let you over in front of me.
Good.
You already told me what you're doing. I've been forewarned. Look out for the skateboarder. Oh, my gosh. Right.
His life flashed before my eyes.
Now, I know that some people might not... Oh, hey, I was just going to say the fountain's not spraying water, but it is. Because they had it shut off at one point.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I need to...
Get up in there.
Yeah, I need to get up in there on that walkway side.
You can just go straight in.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Wow, this is like some serious bump action right here.
Oh, yeah, there's 3 right there.
Wow. Oh, man.
That one you missed.
Go ahead, guys. Go ahead. I got to deal with these bumps. This is some serious bump action. Triple bump. Ugh. All right, I'm going to get up in here in the restricted access zone real quick and take a picture by the fountain.
Yeah.
And then my challenge will be completed.
Maybe take a short little video so you can see the water's actually moving, and then make a collage with all 3. Oh, that would be awesome.
No. Let's not get too fancy.
Yeah, I believe you should.
No. I don't know how to do that.
You post on Instagram and you choose the one that does multiples, and then you post the multiple.
Boom.
Now I need a short video. Please just do it for me. Humor me.
No, we're on video already. I already have a short video.
No. It's easier on the phone.
No. This version of the motorcycle picture game is now coming to an end. I've taken a picture next to a water feature fountain, and...
It's cut.
Please be quiet.
You said it's done. It's cut. It's over. We're done.
I'm doing the outro. You suck.
Whoa.
Please be quiet. Please be quiet so I can finish here.
You're bent out of shape.
This is bullshit.
This is what you have to deal with for the rest of your life.
All right, so I'm going to tap out so Lucky Bear can't be talked to anymore. Water feature fountain, and then we had already the water drinking fountain. So that concludes the motorcycle picture game adventure with Lucky Bear, and we are going to go home now and have some dinner. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'm SABCRAZY, and I'll see you on the next adventure.